Folks, lawyers screw up once in a while. Some are minor mistakes, some are major mistakes. I've done mistakes in my career. I have never, ever done what this attorney did in an attempt to hide his client. He managed to Streisand affect his client. Welcome to the show. Yes, folks, this asshat. Let me try to make it bigger. This was sent to Randazza Legal Group. For you who don't know who Mr. Randazza is, he does not screw around. This is what Attorney Jordan Barrington does. Dear Mr. Randazza, please confirm receipt of this email regarding AdvaMeg Inc. This is a cease and desist demand to AdvaMeg Inc. to delete an entry from a webpage it controls. That one. Although that single page contains listings of hundreds of individuals. Specifically, I'm only seeking deletion of my client's mention on that page, Mr. Luke Thompson, on the basis that AdvaMeg's entire reproduction of the New York State's sex offender database is illegal pursuant to new NYS correction law, blah, 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 blah. And here it is. To that end, please delete Mr. Thompson's name, address, and date of birth forthwith. I have also attached an email from New York State Office of Sex Offender Management confirming that it is illegal to duplicate NYS official SO database, blah, 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 blah. Upon information and belief, And here, consequently, please effectuate removal of my client from those databases within 24 hours. Or if you fail to comply, we will complain to Google to get your entire site blocked from Google search results for containing illegal content, as well as filing a civil suit against your client, blah, 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 blah. We also intend to bring this matter to our contact at the New York Attorney General's office, seeking full deletion of your entire database and applicable civil penalties of $21,625,000 if you fail to comply with this demand. They have not yet contacted Google, blah, 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 blah. Yours truly, Jordan Barrington. Now, Mr. Randazza, let me just bring that up so you can see his initial reaction. Dipshit sent a takedown demand because he didn't want people to know that his client is an effing child kiddy diddler person. Wrong MFer to send this to Jordan. And I promised Mr. Mark J. Randazza that I would publish and make a video. Let's check out Mr. Randazza's answer. Via email only, Jordan Barrington response, F you and your kiddy diddling client. Dear Mr. Barrington, I received your demand addressed to AdvaMeg Inc. seeking to take down information about your client from here. I do not represent AdvaMeg. I'm not sure how you came to send this demand to me, but man, you should have thought that one through a little better. Your client was convicted on engaging in unconsensual. He did the bad things to a 13-year-old boy. One consequence of screwing in that way is that you get put on a sex offender registry, and that is public information. You're demanded the removal of your client's name, date of birth, and address forthwith. Let me confirm that information. Luke Thompson. I'm actually crossing this out because Swedish laws are slightly different. You threatened to complain to Google and try to delist the website, to bring a civil suit, and to quote-unquote bring this matter to our contact of the New York AG's office. Oh, I'm so effing scared. Not your contact. Moist cat. You demanded that this information be deleted within 24 hours. I have a suggestion for you. Why don't you go F yourself forthwith and tell your kiddy diddling client to go F himself and count himself lucky that he only got 6 years probation instead of the punishment he deserved. I don't know what AdvaMeg wants to do, but my guess is that they would tell you to go F yourself as well. And next time you're trying to suppress First Amendment protected information about a kiddy diddler, do some research on the MFer you are sending the demand to. F you, F your client, better than him effing kids. Sincerely, Mark J. Randazza. Included your demand and your client's registered sex offender details. And they already went through this, and yes, that was included. So this is my little part of this Streisand effect. Now, this has been shared all over social media. And yeah, folks, lawyers, attorneys, jurists, don't be a Jordan Barrington. Don't reveal to the world who your client is and what he did. That is a really, really bad idea. Now, since this is a cease and desist letter, it's basically a legal document which I can quote here in Sweden. Swedish law applies. So I'm not getting in trouble of this. So, well, and I agree with Mr. Randazza. Mr. Barrington, F you, F your client. Thank you for listening in, folks. You all have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video or stream. Bye-bye.